Guys, I'm back with my latest update. Well, this update is mainly for Naruto Shippundane game, as I'm finding many users that are unable to play the game at 1080p or in full screen mode. Well, this video is based on full screen with 1080p resolutions, and this is only for those who are willing to play this game at 1080p. Well, what I have done is that I have already edited an end user mode. What you need to do is first extract this. Here I have got the extracted file. Then you just need to right click on the Naruto icon and then open file location, and you got to paste the file. You got to paste this file over here and replace. Bang, and the magic has been done. Well, nothing. I just modded the INI with it. Now you can play Naruto Shippundane in full screen resolution 1080p. Bang! That is the game for you. Well, I wish this mode of mine helps those guys who are really willing to play this game at 1080p. This is me, saurabh signing off. Till then, game on.